Southern Railfan is the place for amazing videos of all types of trains. Southern Railfan, subscribe today.
Okie dokie, we're at the Marion Maintenance Facility, just past the overpass there for Norfolk and Southern, and we're waiting on a southbound man. I'm going to guess it's either an ethanol train, a coal train, a freight train, a rail train, or a grain train. I don't think it's a passenger train. So I've covered all my bases, so I can't be wrong on guessing on this train. But all joking aside, he's over 8,000 feet from what the defect detector's calling out. So I'm assuming it's going to be M653. Of course, M693 the last couple times has been a pretty good sized train, but usually something that size, freight wise, it's usually 653. So we'll hang out here and catch him. My guesstimation usually fails. That could have been 693 because that was definitely not 8,000 feet. That's probably around I don't know, it's not near 8,000 feet, maybe between 4,000 and 5,000 feet. So anyway, I'll try to find out before I post the video. We'll wait and see what else we can catch today. Alrighty, I better hit a mailbox. We're on our way over here to Moody Town. I'm hoping we can catch this. It's what I believe is a northbound empty coal train. I heard him set the defect detector off at the 225, but then one of my neighbors was out in the yard. He's like, "Hey, howdy neighbor," and I'm like, "Get back in your house, I got a train to catch." No, I didn't say that. So I had to speak howdy to him and be neighborly, so I'm hoping we can catch him. So I'm gonna cut the video off here so I can take this curve here and do a little bit of looks like somebody else has been trying to get over here to get to the train quick. I did not leave those there. Alrighty. Alrighty. Boy, look at that. We just did make it. And I was coming up around the curve there after I cut the video off. I heard him call north E773. So this is a new symbol for me. It might be just a one-time reroute because I don't remember anything coming down with a 700 number on it. Of course, it could have been at night. I'm not the authority. of told you a fib. I think that's the that coal train there we just filmed came down loaded, obviously. I don't know why I said that, and went to Terrell. And the reason that symbol's unfamiliar with me, that's the first Terrell coal train we've seen in a while. I think we filmed it 4 or 5 days ago coming south, so that's pretty cool. I'm not sure if we can catch anything else today. I know a signal maintainer called Florida Jacksonville and asked them what was around, and they said 653, which we've already filmed, and this train was the only thing in the area. So now area could mean 2 or 3 hours, but anyway, we'll see what else we can catch. If not, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Okie dokie, looks like it's going to be a 2-train day. I don't know if you can hear it on the video, but it's raining like crazy. Like big old Forrest Gump drops of rain out there. And it looks dark and boogery back to the west, so it's probably going to last a while. I didn't hear of anything close coming south. And I know 653 was tying up the main line at Bostic. He either had one or both of those engines go belly up on him. So the crew are taking a crew van down to Case Farms in Shelby and picking up either both engines or one engine at least off of that grain train that come through that's down at Shelby. And they'll come back to Bostic and pick up 653. And they're holding up northbound 652, I believe, at Cherryville, for him to come up. So there's not even going to be anything coming north. And like I said, I'll be learning how to talk this afternoon. Anything coming back south. So just be a 2-train day, but that's okay. We'll get right back out there on the high iron tomorrow and do some more filming, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Southern Railfan is the place for amazing videos of all types of trains. Southern Railfan, subscribe today.